time to tear this down.
Babe. A little dangerous, huh?
First thing to do, clean out this garage. Charmsville about to start. I'm about to get up on this ladder and paint all the way up here at the top. I know Ray's scared and she ain't go up there. Look, she didn't want to got the black paint. So she over here being Picasso. Why you painting that, babe?
I don't like the way that's blue on it.
But this boy really dark.
Oh,
Got it cleaned out for the most part. Also, so it's time to tear this down. First thing to do to remove these fence panels. It's gonna be a little fishy though. And you see what's holding it up. Like it's really ain't nothing. Like all that's rotted. And then it's actually rotted like right here at the connection. So it's really not even sitting on there. It's sitting on this post right here. So once this post get knocked down, this thing should cave in. I'm gonna definitely try to save some of this wood though. Still gotta probably hit it with the leaf blower, break out some more of this stuff.
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine.
You can see it started raining. I had that whole back wall loose, like that whole corner right there was about to come off. We'll be back out.
Hey, show me that lean with it, rock with it. Man.
We'll kick that middle post with it, right?
Bae started taking the wall out over here. We really want to keep some of these 2x4s. Wow. Wow. Ooh, Bae, be careful. Whoa. Look at him. He about to send me. Huh? Look at that teamwork. He knocking him down. Booby coming over here, picking him up, keeping the workflow going. Shout out to Charmsville. Oh. Ooh. Are you serious, Ryan? Destruction. My soul self was thinking like, ooh, we can get under the garage. Like, yeah, sure can. Oh, that boy's strong, huh? Okay, don't hurt your body. Said since you want to blow down, let me show you how I can hold it. Woo! Look, he in dangerous mode now. You know what happened when he get in dangerous mode? Somebody gonna get knocked out. Didn't you crack Deontay or something? Booby didn't just learn how to just maneuver. You throwing stuff, he like, oop, oop, oop. Man. Babe. No. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Oh, yeah. Man, what the heck? This thing bigger than it look. That's why you said you think it's all gonna fit.
Wipe it down the middle. I was thinking like little section. How wide the curve is.
Woo! Okay, I'm a little too close.
No, loading the trailer 101. Doing the stuff on here, you always want to keep it straight. Where everything can be flat, you can fit more stuff on it. For a side right here, you want to make a little space at the bottom. And then you ain't getting your money for it. Well, it look like a full load, but it really ain't. You're going to get charged for one.
Babe was telling Booby, like, be careful. I'm like, we don't got insurance. And they talk about, at least not for you. Or any of y'all, in case y'all get any ideas, okay? You okay? A little dangerous, huh? This is how you do it. Ooh. I ain't been gone for 2 seconds. This is what I come back to. Bae. Bae. Make sure you be careful, because if you bounce down, can't you end up hitting a nail and it can go through your shoe?
Let me see that Sawzaw. You missed it. This bitch down there and collapsed itself.
Oh, this boy was standing up a little more. You okay?
Yeah. I was thinking about putting it your end down, and then we can come back here and push it up.
Be careful. Watch out for the nails. Woo! You know raccoons dirty. Just look at how they figured out a way to boo-boo all inside of the creases and crevices. Like, that is disgusting. That's probably that good wood back in the day when the trees wasn't bioengineered.
This a 100-year-old garage. They ain't had no gutter. So that's what made it. Like, the back wall went first, because all the water is rotting out the damn wood.
You probably got all types of crumbs in your shirt. Talk about boys in the hood. Artie, move. Come here. Come here, Artie. Sit. Sit. Ooh. Slowly but surely.
I don't see competition, I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. In the basement with my daughter on my lap, writing raps, trying to figure how to come up with a stack. But I know I just need to strap these twos up on my back. That slow though, how I'ma make a milli doing that? But I just gotta stick to the flow and get my own. Every since a youngin', me and baby on our own. Turn 19, we was in our own, that's on. Learn from the best, so jump up on it, but
Back at it, reduce, reuse, recycle. Booby like do 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 do.
so watch me go and get it. All day long I'm hustling, trying to feed my family. Without them I ain't nothing. But watch all fam, cause some you can't trust some. Man, I got some stories that'll make you start cussing. But really, I'm just trying to make a milli though. I dropped out of college, but got the same job I was schooling for. Man, that shit is crazy, need my refund, yeah, my moolah. I just need my bread back to put it in the studio. Not really, I go and buy more houses.
What we about to do now is actually clean up all this debris, all these leaves and stuff like that, load it on the trailer. Trailer's super packed up. All I'm doing now is just doing some sweeping up. Make sure everything nice and tidy, then we about to hurry up and go dump this load. That's a true full load right there. Used to be a garage right here. So we got all types of space. All right, all loaded up now. Where the garage used to be, sitting right there in that dumpster. It's crazy that dumpster really could fit a whole garage in there. Broken down and packed the right way. Looking real good now. Now we got all this yard space. Kids can play, people can park. Leave still a nice amount of space right here. Just gotta remove this post right here. That fence can get finished off that way, and we can throw a bunch of gravel right here, cut off this curb. We'll see.
I don't see competition. I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine. Yeah. So watch me go and get it.
You good? You good?